Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily Health Shift. I'm Daniel. Today's topic is joint health and mobility, essential tips for staying active and pain-free. Whether you're an athlete, a weekend warrior, or just someone looking to move comfortably as you age, joint health matters. Today we'll cover why mobility is crucial, common mistakes that lead to joint pain, my personal story, and a practical step-by-step mobility plan you can start today. Healthy joints allow you to walk, lift, stretch, and perform daily tasks without pain. As we age, joint cartilage naturally wears down, but smart habits can slow that process. Research from the Arthritis Foundation shows that maintaining regular mobility exercises reduces joint pain and stiffness by 40% in adults over 40. Beyond that, joint health supports longevity and overall quality of life. Poor joint mobility often leads to reduced activity, which then causes muscle loss, weight gain, and even metabolic issues. I've seen this in my own life. A few years ago, after ignoring my stretching and warm-up routines, I developed knee pain that kept me from running for months. It wasn't until I incorporated daily mobility exercises and focused on joint-friendly strength training that I regained full movement. Listener story: Sarah from Oregon shared, adding just 10 minutes of joint mobility exercises each morning has helped me stay pain-free during my long runs. Her experience shows how a small daily commitment makes a lasting difference. Mistake 1. Ignoring warm-ups before exercise. Jumping straight into workouts without prepping your joints increases injury risk. Mistake 2. Skipping mobility and flexibility work. Focusing only on strength or cardio without addressing flexibility can lead to imbalances and stiffness. Mistake 3. Poor posture habits. Hours hunched over a computer or phone put stress on the spine, hips, and shoulders. Mistake 4. Overtraining or repetitive stress. Doing the same movements repeatedly without variation overloads specific joints. Mistake 5. Not addressing minor joint pain early. Waiting until pain becomes severe makes recovery harder and longer. Part 3. My Joint Health Toolkit. Here's my personal joint health system. First, a daily mobility routine. I dedicate 5 to 10 minutes every morning focusing on hips, shoulders, and spine using controlled articular rotations and dynamic stretches. Second, strength training 2 to 3 times per week with an emphasis on proper form and full range of motion. Movements like squats, lunges, and overhead presses help strengthen the muscles supporting key joints. Third, walking or light cardio daily keeps joints lubricated and prevents stiffness. Fourth, I include omega-3 fatty acids and collagen supplements in my routine. These support joint tissue health from the inside out. Fifth, regular check-ins with physical therapy if needed. I visit a therapist for movement assessments a few times per year to catch any issues early. Listener story: Sarah from Oregon shared, adding just 10 minutes of joint mobility exercises each morning has helped me stay pain-free during my long runs. Her experience reinforces how a consistent toolkit keeps joints healthy long-term. Now let's create your personal plan. Step 1. Identify your stiffest joints. Check hips, shoulders, knees, and lower back for tightness or pain. Step 2. Schedule a daily 5 to 10 minute mobility routine focusing on those areas. Use simple moves like hip circles, shoulder cars, and cat-cow stretches. Step 3. Strength train with proper form and posture. Prioritize controlled movement patterns and don't rush reps. Step 4. Track progress weekly. Note pain level, range of motion, and how easily you perform daily activities. Adjust your routine based on what you observe. Bonus step. Build in recovery strategies like foam rolling or massage therapy to complement your mobility work. Alright friends, that's it for today's episode. If this helped you, share it with someone looking to improve their joint health. And if you want more real-world health advice, subscribe to the Daily Health Shift. Next week, we're diving into healthy aging strategies that go beyond diet and exercise. I'll see you then.